suggestions that will help you transition into the high ticket sales space. The next thing I want to talk about here, and this is something that I've repeated kind of throughout these lessons and the modules here, is continue to invest in yourself. Continue to invest in your life, right? Who you are as a person. Again, is that saying invest with me? No. Would I like you to? Absolutely. Can I help you? I firmly believe that I can. As you're probably kind of going through this content, like I've probably, like I said, created maybe a better awareness, maybe, definitely drop some education on you as far as how this high ticket sales space really works. So, would I like you to invest in me? Absolutely. But at the end of the day, I want you guys to make the right decisions. I want you guys to make an educated decision, an informed decision on what's best for you and your family that's going to help you most transition into the high ticket sales space. Again, if that's another sales training with an attached job placement, I wouldn't suggest it, but all I'm saying is talk to other people, do your due diligence, do your research, do your homework, and ensure that someone like you with little to no sales experience, or someone that doesn't meet industry requirements, that people like you in your situation, in your scenario, have seen success. So that's the premise of all this. It's just creating awareness and educating you, so that way you guys are more informed when you're networking, when you're asking questions. You just have an overall better outlook of what you've gotten into now. So, but continue to invest in yourself. Again, that's time, money, and energy. This is entrepreneurship. It is at its finest. You have to market and brand yourself. You have to sell yourself, right? You are building your own business. You're an independent contractor. So if you're not continuously investing in yourself, again, how do you help someone else, right, further themselves, improve themselves, and better their situations through an investment, and you're not willing to do that? It's a hard objection to overcome when you're not acclimated and you can't do it yourself. So make it a point to continuously invest in yourself. And I don't care if it's, investing in a book, investing in a mini training, investing in a coach, whatever that looks like. I'm not saying it has to be sales training. I'm not saying it has to be the 30-day sales pro. It could be little investments, but as long as you are doing it. So that way, when you do hop on a sales call, when you do hop on a discovery call, whatever that looks like, at least you're drinking the Kool-Aid. You're a product of your environment. So when you're asking someone else to do something, you're not a hypocrite. And that's super important because, again, it goes back to mindset now. So I want to be very clear that you need to continuously invest in yourself moving forward. Doesn't matter what the investment is. Again, time, money, and energy. That's what it requires, but you need to do it. The next question is, because when it comes to investing and improving our situation, typically I make investments when I need to take, when I hit the wall and I can, my knowledge, my experience, and my resources have got me to this point. That's a clear indicator that, hey, I can no longer take myself any further and I do need help. So what does that look like? So it, again, could be a coach, guide, mentor, could be a book, could be a course, like whatever that is. But now just understand, clearly some are faster than others. So are you wanting to achieve this faster or slower? Because again, if you read a book, how long is it going to take you to read that book and implement? That's time. That's time where you could actually have been, spending on an offer, making money, or, whatever that looks like. So just wanted to throw that out there that, hey, you're in entrepreneurship now, right? You're an aspiring entrepreneur. Continuously invest in yourself, whatever that looks like and what is most reasonable for you, but pressing you and pushing you to improve daily, but getting you there faster. I mean, that's kind of the idea, is we're on our sales calls, we're trying to get people from A to B, but in a much faster time. So continue to invest in yourself. Super important.